I'm Cassie from Chilliwack, BC, and I'm reviewing the Graco Nautilus SnugLock, which my daughter is currently sitting in. My company. It's gotten a lot of use already. It's very secure, very nice, and it's really, really snazzy looking. It's got two cup holders right there, and I can't show you the different positions up here because my husband has this locked on there, but it's got a 6 different position button. You can pull it up, especially for the tall kids who don't weigh very much. You can make it go up much higher so they're more protected. It's good for all different stages. You can have it as just a regular booster seat. I have an 8-year-old. I've used it for that. I have a 2-year-old and he's used it as well, and it's got different settings for that. It's really good for all the different stages of life, and I think that's quite awesome because who wants to buy a bunch of different seats? So I would definitely recommend this product. Thank you.